Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is our writing week, so be prepared to have a lot of fun. This is our compass day on Monday, so we're just going to give you a light introduction to our plan for the week. Take it away, Victoria.
Hello, everybody. So, for this writing week, I'm not going to give too much away, but I'm going to take you through a small handful of exercises for where we are in the process. If you recall from weeks past, we've looked at creating the offering, which is the thing that you're offering to your reader, the promise that exists within your story. And we've looked at the milestones and the discoveries, which are the kinds of things that are moving that character, moving that story along as they make those discoveries and reach those milestones. So you may recall last week, we talked just a little bit about how to take a scene and process it into your Zettelkasten so that you can put those items into safekeeping that you might need to go back and remember, like what car somebody drove or whatever. So for tomorrow, we're going to close that loop and we're going to look at a few key things that help you decide, is your story on track, that help make sure that you're meeting that offering by examining certain items. I won't tell you what they are, but there is a list. And then we'll wrap it up with some writing exercises that help you lock in that first part of your story so that as you begin to venture into the second part through the ending, you're on track, your story is concise, and you make sure that you're delivering that settlement to your reader and wrapping that story up tight. So that's where we're headed. Stay tuned and come back tomorrow. I will throw it back to Kathleen.
Okay, thank you, Victoria. Well, we diverge a little bit this time. Usually we end up miraculously ending dovetailing quite well, although I wouldn't put it past Victoria to find out the connections between the two of them. But what we're going to do in character development this week for writing is I'm going to give you a character profile diagram. I'm going to give you one trait in the rudder and another in the wing, and I'm going to challenge you with writing a scene where you assign those character traits to a character of your choice, young, old, male, female, rich, poor. You get to decide, and then you get to create another character that will give that your main character someone to talk to. And I would like you to show in your writing that the rudder trait is indeed in the rudder and the wing trait is indeed in the wing. So that'll be your challenge, to take a character profile diagram and demonstrate the profile to your reader. So come on back tomorrow to find out what character traits are going to be in the mix. Anything to add, Victoria?
Nope, I think it's going to fit together better than you think it will, but we'll find out tomorrow.
Okay, see you tomorrow.